Hi, I'm Jim,
I'm Chris,
and we're Geeks On Tour.
and in this video we want to show you something about Chromebooks. How to do a factory reset called a Powerwash. First, a little bit of background. So I know that you recently had to do a factory reset on your Windows computer.
Yeah, sometimes I want a clean start, and it takes several days. It just takes to get everything set right, and then to make sure that it all works again. It just takes a while.
So the actual format or factory reset doesn't take a few days.
Oh no, but setting everything back
up.
And you know, making sure that all the accounts are in there right and blah.
Yeah, it's something that you avoid doing. But with a Chromebook, a factory reset is called Powerwash, and it's pretty painless. Let's show them. So first of all, a Powerwash will erase anything that is in local storage. So you need to check your downloads folder and make sure there's nothing there that you need to back up.
So I want to check and make sure that there's nothing in here that I really need to keep.
Google Drive
or OneDrive or Dropbox or somewhere else off of here, because these are going to go away.
So what you're seeing there is fine to erase?
Yeah, there's nothing on here that I don't already have somewhere else. So.
Okay.
All right.
So let's do it. You go to your settings.
All right.
Show them where settings are.
So just click anywhere down in where the clock is, and then your settings are this gear right here.
And then who knows where within these settings it is, but you can always just search for Powerwash.
Right. So I'll just click on this magnifying glass and type Powerwash. There it is. And reset. Restart.
Now, I had a user on your Chromebook here, too. I will be gone when this Powerwash finishes.
Right. It's basically setting it up clean. Here we go. Reset this Chrome device. And Powerwash. Confirm Powerwash.
Let's go ahead and leave it on the whole time just to see how long it really takes.
All right. Well, it just looks like it's restarting. Here it comes.
If that was it, that just didn't take any time at all. So this is like a brand new factory computer out of the box.
Right. So first it wants to connect to a network. It sees several of them there. And we'll connect to this Geeks one. First thing it does is check for updates. And it wants me to sign in.
So this is your Google account. That's the one thing that is absolutely required in order to use a Chromebook is a Google account. Usually that means a Gmail address and password. You better know your password.
Okay, there it comes. It wants my password. Are you trying to log in? Yes, it's me. Okay, I'm signed in. I can do Chrome Sync, use bookmarks, history, passwords, and other settings. I'm going to choose a pin here. My pin is added. Back up to Google Drive. Easily restore your data at any time. That's a check mark. I see it right there. And more. Voice match. I agree. My assistant can already ignore my voice. It's all set up. It says it's all set anyway. Completing setups. Installing applications. Completing setup. Pretty cool. Welcome to your Chromebook.
So everything is, you can check your email now, you can...
Well, let's take a look. Yep. There's all my stuff. My little face is right there, and all my stuff is ready to go.
And check your Google Photos.
All right. Google Photos.
So everything's back, and you know you have a nice, clean operating system.
Yes.
And that took, I mean, even with a little bit of flubbing, it took no more than 7 minutes.
About that, maybe 10 total with my flubbing. So
And no more work on your part to
No, everything
set up
seems
any
to be
other
there.
apps.
I'm sure that if I find that if I look at all my apps there, the apps that I had in there, so something that I may have installed.
Yep, there's the Google Photos app, the Android app that needed to be installed. Okay.
Right. And then let's see, background eraser. That's something I definitely installed. Pinterest.
So everything is back based on your Google account. It keeps record of what you used.
Notice in here, there's nothing in the downloads. So that stuff has been erased, and that's...
And if you log out, they will see that I am no longer a user on this.
Right. So if I sign out, I'm the only one there.
You're the only user. Or browse as guest.
Right. You can always use browse as guest.
But I am no longer on this. So this is what you would do also if you wanted to give your Chromebook to somebody else. You just do a power wash and then you do not relog in.
Well, thanks, Chris. Now I have a clean machine.
A clean machine.
A clean machine.
All right. Power wash it.
I'm Jen.
I'm Chris.
We're Geeks on Tour.